Hello guys, good mornings and welcome to my channel and to our farm. Check this out. We have a big tissue roll here. Yeah. Meet my friends. Meet my friends. These are my friend Bashar. Bashar boy. You. Bashar boy. Sabi salam. Sabi English or Arabic mabi muskil. Hada my manager Bukul.
No, no, no manager.
Bukul. Sabi salam mo, say hi.
Assalamualaikum. Hi.
Hello. Hello YouTube world.
Malam mahal kita.
Aywa.
Ayah, Babu Dhabi, Ayah Philippines.
Oh babe.
Isang iti malang la babes. Hello.
Hello babes. Hello.
Hello.
This from the other Filipinos before he met. He always hear that the Filipino guy is calling hello, hello babe, hello babe. Then he's singing, oh babe, isang ngiti mo lang.
Hello, babe.
That's Alim. Alim boy. Wait. And I will move the car a little bit. Okay. Hold it. Imshik. We will put this one in the yacht to cover it. Warra. Hello, I'm back. Check out our dates. Tudun. Wow. Big. It's big. We can harvest or get some later. We have also there. This one, see? It's grafted. Correct me if I'm wrong. So now we are going to cover this yacht because it's summer. So it's not a good time to go for fishing. Okay? So we will put this one there. So come and stay by us. Stay with us. Stay with us while we are preparing this. We will cover this yacht because it's summer and it's not a good time to go fishing. We'll cover it with this. So stay with us. We need to clean a little bit. We have also a UV here. Yeah, UV. We have also bunk houses for some of the workers, the farm. Then check our farm. Before, this one is full of vegetables during winter, but now this time it's summer, it's very hard. Before we have string beans here, we have eggplant, we have tomato, right? Right, boss?
Yes.
Before we have spinach, we have what you call this one, it's like a baggy beans.
Ada good plan, bay.
Hada bay, sure hada simsim grass.
grass eh.
Grasmal horse.
Small goat and cow.
Hmm.
Cow and goat and camel.
Yan if farid stray. So EJ na stray.
No problem. No, but Arbab.
This our friend. Alim boy.
Kuda hoy kawad na de.
Nee. Daw. Chalo. Daw. Whoa, check this out. We have some dates. This one's ripe already. It's very hard to climb a dates. Oh, it's hard. Let's taste it. Let's go get. This is how you eat some dates. We will do like this. It's like a trick. We'll remove this one. Check if it's work. Oh, I'm climbing a date tree. Oh my god. I'm climbing. Very hard to climb. I'm climbing. Here you go. Yeah. Wait. This one. I'm under the sun and climbing these very tall dates. Let's get this very tall. Oh my god. I'm so tired, see? I'm sweating because of these dates. Oh. Check this out. We'll taste it. I forgot to get my selfie stick. Nataban. Asan silada. Hog mara. Ada iji sa?
Yeah.
Ha? Iji o iji? Sadik, kumapi sadik. We need to wash first. Then we will eat. This is it. Hala, panafi tamor.
Labis ko sawa-sawa.
Biscuit and dates for breakfast. Yeah. Check this out, guys. Oh, perfect. See? Then biscuit. It's Marie. You're a shining pearl. Yeah. Do you know, if you have babies, another tips and tricks, guys, this Marie cookie, this is very nice for babies. You know how to do? Just soak it in milk or water. Put the milk, the biscuit in a bowl. Then put it with milk or water. Then you mash it. Then give it to your babies. Not totally baby. It's like 6 months old, like that. But you should. But ask your pediatrician first. Okay. But 1 year old, I think it's good. 1 year old enough. Okay. But 6 months, maybe a little to prevent from choking. Okay. Take note. Marie. Dates for right. Sweating because I climbed the dates. Yep. Min kerbut. We have Mari. Mari. You just stay there while I'm eating. Okay. See you again, babe. Okay, guys. See you again for my next video. My on-the-spot videos. Show you more tips, tricks, and videos about life. So stay tuned. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and of course click the bell button all. Ciao.
এটা মনে হয় মাথা এটা বিছানা এটা বিছানা daw Please, Alan sa likod dito. Ay, say. Ha, daw. Wala to ya. Boro. Algi di. Tadi itu tanda beda. Algi dia na dia itu saro itu saro ha. Itu gura saro. Bas apni algi daw na ida algi dia udah lo. Sobat. Step. এদিকে নিও না এদিকে টান দাও ওইটা টান দাও একটু আবার কিছু ভাই গেলে না হ্যাঁ ওইটার উপরে উঠাও এদিকে সারাও হ্যাঁ সারাও সারাও
Sementara tawa-tawa hadis bas.
সারাও
Mungkin rumah adik kala. Salam.
দেখাও আর একটা ঘুরে যাও
It's dusty. Farm life here in UAE. Hey, virus! Virus! Woo! Virus.
জানলা গেলে গেলে মেদিকে
Virus, go away. Don't come again another day. Little children wants to play. Virus, go away. Don't come again another day. Salivate. Alim. Wait, mashallah, English eh? Let's English tell you.
সামনে যাই আলিম সামনে যাইয়া
Ano tahat?
এটা দেখ ওই দুইটা আছে এই সুতা দিয়া কি করে সুতা লইলে ওই দুইটার মধ্যে জয়েন করে দে না বাইরে দিয়ে এন্দা গেলে বাঁচবি নি এন্দাই বাইরে দিয়ে নাম এন্দা উঠ বাইরে থেকে কেন কেটে বাঁধি তো
Giga ya.
Lap,
Bro,
lap.
so to go down.
Giga.
Giga so. Yeah, giga. How to go down from? Ayan. Yeah. Yeah. Alim bay. Nal. Yeah. My slipper. Oh. Done. So tired. Very tired.
Ibagi wahid.
When rakit. Ora? Ada saus-saus ada udah. Sangat pas. Ada mau saus-saus. Cukup when rakit.
एवढा रे उस्ताद भले এই যে আন্ডা এইটা এইডি এইডি নিয়ে লাগা এটা এই দেখ এবারে এই দেখ শিখালাম
Ano ro? Gusto.
বুঝতে হবে হ্যাঁ ইনিরো মানুষ লেনটা আর দা ওদিন সি
Ah.
প্রতীক কালার
Ah. Kap.
saya Farhan kalau
La ana rid plaza man ro bes. Asa na day ka mamalu.
si
Ada pataga.
si
Please ada PCR siguro.
ayo basta ana sa saya safai inta roll pwede hana si
Ah.
kalau
Kalas.
okay
Yan yan to sabi sa pay sawa-sawa
ayo
ada.
he he
Kalau sil ada saman kalisil.
sil mai sil water
Ay.
isteba
Merit.
Mari lari
La kali silver rock.
untuk sil
এগুলি গাড়ির ভিতরে থাকলে এগুলি হ্যাঁ ওই বকল ভাই ওই বকল ভাই
ayo
এই দেখেন ও রুকু দাঁড়া ফসল করে এগুলি গাড়ির ভিতরে ছিলাম
না না এডিও নামাইছো ওই আইলে দেখো
সেই জন্য লাগাইলো এটা তো লাগলো
আরে বান্ধব কাট করে ওই সাইডে ভিতরে সব পাইন্দা
Ha ha!